Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy India. I request you all to kindly subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get notified about new videos. My name is Himanshi Sharma. I hope all of you are doing good and fine at your home. Today we will read a wonderful story, Alice in the Wonderland. This story is given in class 4 English book Marigold. We will see explanation of the story, word meanings and sentence formation. So let's get started. Alice in the Wonderland. One day, Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. Suddenly, she saw a white rabbit scamper by. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." So one day Alice was sitting under the tree with her sister. Her sister was reading a story for her. Suddenly she saw a white rabbit running by her. It was a unique rabbit because it had pink eyes. He was wearing a waistcoat. Also, it had a watch with him. It took out that big watch from his waistcoat pocket and muttering to himself, oh dear, I shall be late." She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk. It wore a red waistcoat and it carried a watch. Alice wondered, a talking rabbit? A rabbit who wears a waistcoat? Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. Now Alice got very amazed to see that unique rabbit. She thought there is something very different about this rabbit. It was a talking rabbit. It could talk. It wore clothes like us. It was wearing waistcoat. It carried a watch. Alice was thinking, a talking rabbit? Can a rabbit talk like us? Can a rabbit wear clothes like us? She thought this is a unique rabbit, so she got very curious to know more about that rabbit. So she started following that rabbit. The rabbit started running fast, but Alice kept following that rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of earth." She wondered, will I slip through the earth to the other side? Now, suddenly that rabbit disappeared into the large rabbit hole. Alice followed him down his rabbit hole. That rabbit jumped into the hole and so was she. Both of them falls very slowly, and while she was falling, she was wondering and shouting, "Where am I? How deep have I fallen? Now I must be near the center of the earth because I have fallen so deep." She started wondering if she had reached the other side of the earth and traveled the distance of the whole earth. Thump! Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. It disappeared, saying, "Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. Now suddenly she landed on a heap of dry leaves and the fall was over. She saw the white rabbit again, but it was again running hurriedly. It disappeared, saying, "Oh my ears and whiskers, I am getting late." Whiskers are long hair on the face of rabbit. Rabbit had gone and Alice found a very small door around her. That door was about 15 inches high. It was very small. She was too big to fit through the door. She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. She tried the little golden key in the lock and to her delight it fitted. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. How she longs to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains. But she could not even get her head through the doorway. Oh, how I wish I could become smaller, she exclaimed loudly. Now she tried to open the door, but it was locked. Suddenly, she saw a glass table. There was a golden key capped on the table. When she tried to open the door with that key, the key get fitted into the little door. She opened the door. Alice saw a beautiful garden. She had never seen such a lovely garden in her life. She really wanted to get into that garden because it had bright flowers all over and cool fountains. But she was too big to fit through the door. So she started wondering if she were a little smaller, she could have get into the garden. So that was the story. Now let's discuss word meanings. First word is scamper. Meaning is to move in a hurry. Sentence: the deer scampered away when it heard the roar of a tiger. Next word is hurried, meaning to rush. Sentence: I ate a hurried breakfast. Next word is popped, meaning to go somewhere without any notice. Sentence: my teacher popped in the class. Next word is disappeared, meaning vanish. Sentence: the tension had completely disappeared. Next word is whiskers, meaning is long hair on the face of animals like cat, dog, rabbit. Sentence: the whiskers of cats are very attractive. Friends, one of the secrets of life is that all that is really worth the doing is what we do for others. This is a famous quote by Lewis Carroll. If you find this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.